In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to deposit money into Opay account. There are different ways in which you can actually deposit money into Opay account. The first method is someone sending money to your Opay account, where you provide your account number for the person to send you money. The second option is for you to add money to your own Opay account all by yourself, probably through your other bank or through your ATM card. So that is exactly what I'm going to be walking you through in this video. So let's say you already have your own Opay account and you want to deposit money from your card to your Opay. So all you just need to do, just see add money under transaction history. You can see add money right here, so you're gonna click on that add money. So then you're gonna see your page just like this. So you can see add money through bank transfer, you can see add money via mobile or internet banking, and this is your account number. You can see share details, copy number. You can do cash deposit, fund your account with nearby merchant. So there are people that can actually like Opay users that have POS, they can actually send money or deposit money into your Opay account for you while you pay them in cash. And you can also top up with a card or account, and you can also top up or deposit money through bank USSD code. So you can see there are different ways in which you can actually deposit money into Opay account. So let me walk you through the top up with card and account. So if I click on top up with card and account, you can see I already added my Stanbic bank account to this. As you can see, this is my card. So if I provide my CVV right here and the amount I actually want to deposit to my Opay account, so you're gonna see that if I provide my CVV right here, then click on confirm, and they said right here how much I can actually deposit for amount above 9,000, which is 10,000. You have to use bank transfer. So but the money I can actually deposit from my ATM or from my bank to Opay is within 10,000 naira. So you have to provide the account number or the amount right here. Let's say, okay, sorry, 5,000 for example. Then I'm gonna provide a CVV. So let me say my CVV is blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm gonna click on confirm. Then it's asked me that they might actually send a verification code to my number to confirm if I actually integrate the payment. Then I provide the code, then I click on confirm, and the money will be deposited from my Stanbic account. The money will be deducted from my Stanbic account to my Opay account. So this is how you can deposit money into Opay accounts without any issue.